Every truck roll costs $150, and half the time the customer hears the price and says no, that is $75 you just burned to get rejected. Here is the fix. The customer texts a photo of their broken water heater. Vision AI reads the model number and identifies the issue. Within 30 seconds, they get back a budget range. If they say yes, you book the job. If they say no, you saved $150 in 2 hours. Contractors using this close 40% more jobs because they only roll on confirmed work. No surprises, no wasted drives. Electric Archer AI